students, welcome back to my channel Trivishaclasses. I hope you all are fine students. Okay, fine. It's nice to hear that you all are fine. I am also fine too. So students, in today's class, we will discuss about place value. Okay, I can see that many of the students, they have very difficult, I think the small students, they find it very difficult to understand the place value, right? So I will tell you how we can understand place value in a very simple method and in an easy method and very interesting also. Okay, so for that we have to move to our class. Let's come and see on the board students. So first of all, as usual, what we will do, we will write the date at the corner, because writing the date at the corner, it looks your copy look very attractive, and this is the right place where you mostly write the date. Okay, so our subject is maths. Okay, and our topic that we will discuss today is about the place value. Okay, so students, I am going to tell you one story. Okay, because when we do maths, okay, and I think while doing maths, mostly what happens when we will solve any of the math solution with story, we can understand it very easily. Okay, as in my previous video, you might have also seen that mostly I teach you math by story method. So let's continue. So there were 5 friends. Okay, how many friends were there? There were 5 friends, and they all were lost in the jungle. Okay, so in the jungle, as there were nothing for them to survive. Okay, they were totally lost. Okay, so what happened? One of the friends said that it's better that we will stay in the jungle. So what happened mostly when think students, अगर आप जंगल में कहीं खो जाते हैं, then what happens that you get lost and you don't have anything to survive. So mostly what you decide to stay in the jungle only. Okay, so as those 5 friends were lost in the jungle, what happened? They decided to stay in the jungle. So as they decided to stay in the jungle, for staying in the jungle, mostly what happens, they have to make their house. Okay, so what they decided that they will make their house. So they as they were 5 friends, they decided to make 5 houses. Okay, so students, for understanding, you can even make a notes in your copy too. Okay, see, draw house. This is one house. Okay, then again another house. Two, three, four, and 5. Okay, you can see on the board I have drawn 5 houses. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so now what we will do, we will give them a name. Okay, for 5, as these 5 houses are drawn, they decided that as you see, mostly when our house is being made, we give the name to our house, right? So as those 5 friends, they made their house, they decided to give the name to their house. So from here, okay, you see the first house is of ones, O. Okay, the second house is of tens. Okay, the third house is of 100. The fourth house is of 1000, and the fifth house is of 10,000. Okay, the first house is mostly of ones. Okay, the second house tens. Third house was of 100. Fourth house was of 1000. and the fifth house was of 10,000. Okay. Right? They decided to give the names to their houses. Okay. Now next, as they have made their houses, as their houses been built, what happened? Once some guest decided to visit their house. जैसे आपके घरों में आपके गेस्ट आते हैं विजिट करने के लिए, सेम some of the guests they decided to visit their house. Okay, see here, ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, so as the guests were arriving at their house, so at one's place, okay, two decided to visit it at one's place. Okay, two. Okay, at ten's house, number 5 decided to visit. Okay, number 5. Right? Okay, understood? Next, at 100 place, number 3 decided to visit. Okay, 3. Okay, at 1,000 house, number 7 decided to visit. Okay, I hope this is very clear to you. Okay, so what we do, students, at one's place, okay, which number is written? Number 2. 2 decided to visit, so 2 into 1. Okay, 2 into 1, what will come? 2. Okay. Next, at 10's place, which number is there? 5. Okay, 5 is there at 10's place. So it is tens. In tens we add 1 0. Okay, see, like this we write 10. Okay, so what becomes? 50. Very good, very nice. Next, you can see at 100 place 3. Okay, so we will write the number here 3. So what? At 100 what we do? 2 0 is added, so we add 2 0. So what will be the number? 300. Very good, very nice, very good, students, very good. Next, you can see at 1,000 place, which number is there? Number 7. Yes, very good, Ria. Number 7. So what we will do? We will multiply it by 1,000, and in 1,000 we write 3 zeros. Okay, so what will come? 7,000. Very good, very nice, very good. Okay, so I think this is very clear to you, students. Okay, so as I told you, 5 friends were there and they were lost in the jungle. So they decided to survive in jungle. For surviving in jungle, they made their houses and they gave the name to their houses, that is ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Right? So once the guests decided to visit their house, so who all visited at one's place? Number 2. At 10th place, number 5. At 100 place, number 3. At 1,000 place, number 7. Okay, so students, what happened? What we will do now? As at one's place 2 is visited, so 2 into 1, because at one's place the number remains the same. Okay. Next, number 5 is at 10th place. So what happened? 5 into 10, that is 50. Next, at 100 place 3 is there. So 3 into 100, that is equal to 300. Okay. Next, at 7th place, that is, at 1,000 place, number 7 is there. So 7 into 1,000, that is the 7,000. Okay. So this is all the place value that we understood. Okay. Now let's move on. I will tell you something. Okay. Suppose students, I think this much is very clear to you and it is very easy also. If you don't understand what you can do, you can teach your children by making the house. So suppose the number 7, 5, 6, 2, okay, 7, 5, 6, 2 is given. Okay, suppose you have to find the place value of 6. Okay, suppose you have to find the place value of 6. The underlined digit you have to find the place value of 6. So what you do, as I told you, remember always the friends. Okay, whether it is 4 friends or 5 friends, just remember and always start from your this side. Okay, so what you do, you will write here once का एक house था, after that tens, after that 100 and after that was 1000. Okay, don't forget these 4, 5 friends. Okay, so the place value is asked for the underlying digit, that is number 6. So 6 you can see is at which place, students? Tens place. Yes, very good. So 6 into 10, that is equal to 60. Okay, and suppose the number, now you have to say the place value of 7. Okay, so what you will do, you will see 7 into 1000. Okay, so what will be the answer? 7,000. So 7 is at thousands place, 6 is at tens place. Okay, like this you can solve the place value very easily. Okay, I hope this students, this video is very useful to you and even helpful to you. Have understood. So if you have understood, so please students, do like, subscribe, share and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get the further notification. Bye everyone. See you all in the next video.